In honor of the Olympics, we have a special challenge today.
That's right. So you've got 4 bowling pins set up. That's kind of strange.
And in front of them, you'll see different types of mini brands.
And you've got what in your hand?
Arrows!
Oh, and you dropped your bow.
Yeah.
All right, so here's how the challenge works. So the white is we're going to say is what?
Bronze.
Bronze, and this is?
Silver. Gold, and then we have another gold.
All right, so she's got 4 medal chances. So she's got to start with the bronze. If she knocks it over, she gets the bronze. Then she has to go silver, gold, and gold. And she has, how many arrows do you have?
7.
7 arrows. So she has 7 chances to hit 4 pins. I hope she can do it.
Me too.
All right, so she's loading up her bow. I want to set up your pin.
I'm going to try with the other hand.
What? All right, I got to go over here so I can see. Oh, she missed. 1 arrow down.
How did I miss that?
I don't know. You got to get it. All right, so now she's loading up her bow. All right, ready? You think you can do it?
I think so.
Oh, she's off to the right. So she's 0 for 2. Oh boy, I hope she can get them.
I got the bronze.
You got the bronze. Not LeBron's. The bronze, right?
Yeah.
All right, so this is our first mini brands.
Should I open it?
Yes, you should open it.
Okay. This one is the toy mini brands. So it's going to have toys in it.
Oh, okay, that's pretty cool. So this is a fun challenge you can do, right? And so, this is just like practice the bow and arrow. You could do it outside, but it's kind of hot today, so we decided to do it inside, right?
Yeah.
Oh, we can't. This is our obstacle course. We can't put any trash on it. All right, so she's
Put
opening
it
it
over
up.
here.
What do you want to get?
I want to get some type of slime toy. Okay, got it. Now we open it. Ready?
Uh-huh. Ooh, let's put them right here and see what you got.
Okay, the first, I like to call it like an orange peel because it kind of does look like it.
They do kind of look like orange peels, don't they?
Because it kind of like you cut an orange and then it goes like, whoa. Oh, I got my toy cart.
Your shopping cart, right?
Next one. Ooh, we got a Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles mask.
Whoa, that's pretty cool. Is that Donatello?
Oh, yeah, it is. No, it's Michelangelo.
Michelangelo.
Yeah.
That was close.
Next one.
So the next one is what?
Ooh. It is RC Mini.
Oh, it's a Mio. We've played with Mios before, haven't we?
Yeah.
They're pretty cool. They're like little robots.
There's
Very
different
fun.
types of them, too.
That's a Mio.
Ooh, we got a Untamed Dragon.
Oh, wow.
And we have one more surprise to open. Wait.
One more to go.
One more. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we got...
Oh, it's from Ren and Stimpy on Nickelodeon.
Oh.
I think that's Stimpy. You haven't watched a lot of Ren and Stimpy, but it's a great show. All right, so we're going to put those surprises there. All right, assistant, you've used 3 of your arrows, right?
I think, yeah, 3. Now I'm going to grab my arrow.
All right, so here we go. So she's got the bronze medal. Now she's going to go aim for the silver, right?
Yeah.
Oh, she missed. You keep going to the right. All right, so you got 3 arrows left. You got it! Oh, I think you almost got the silver arrow. Hey, assistant, but you know what happens though if you hit one bowling pin knocks over the other one, don't you?
I get both!
You get both, that's right. All right, so here is your silver.
Silver!
All right, so we're gonna start opening that up, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so she's opening up her silver medal.
I dropped it!
What are you dropping it for?
Okay, ready?
All right.
Opening the
Open it up.
orange up.
All right, so let's look and see what you got. What do you think's in the silver?
Something, I don't know. I kind of want soy sauce. Oh, here's our shopping cart.
There's your shopping cart. Good. This time it's yellow. Last time it was blue, right?
Yeah. Oh, we got whole grain wheat thins.
Ooh, wheat thins.
I know you like these.
Yeah, I do like wheat thins, so those are pretty good.
Next up. Ooh. Gotta get it out. Hershey's syrup.
Ooh, strawberry syrup.
I do know this is a new item to it because they didn't have these in the last series.
That's right. So this is series 3, right?
Series 3.
Tray 3.
Ooh, we got a Hershey's. We got a giant Hershey's bar, special dark.
Ooh, do you like dark chocolate?
Ooh, I like semi-sweet.
Semi-sweet?
Ooh, and then we got almond breeze.
Oh, there's almond milk, right? Ooh,
Yeah.
That's pretty good. All right. So that is...
Let's look at our collector's item because I think that Hershey's bar might be rare.
Okay.
Looking. Whoa, look at all the gold items.
Oh, wow. You gotta get
Hershey's strawberry syrup. Ooh, glow in the dark.
metallic. I don't remember there being metallic and glow in the dark.
Oh, it's a common. Never mind. Hershey's is a common.
Oh, it is?
See right there.
Okay, so I think you only have how many arrows left?
2.
You have 1 or 2 left.
1 or 2.
We'll just say you have 2 left, okay?
Okay.
All right, so she's gonna grab
Where's
her
my
bow.
bow?
I think her bow's over here.
Okay.
So people at home, what do you think? Do you think that she's gonna be able to get these arrows, get these bowling pins?
Hopefully I get 2 in 1.
That'd
be ideal.
Fantastic, right? Fantabulous. Because we really want to open up one of the gold mini brands for the gold medal of the Assistant Olympics. Oh, you
got it!
You actually got the mini brand!
Yes!
Whoa! We were going to use that as the actual challenge, but we thought it was going to be too hard to hit them.
Then I actually did it! What if it just got this and not the pin?
Oh, I would have given it to you.
Yeah.
So we need to play the national anthem and all kinds of cool things.
Yeah.
For the winning shot that actually got it. So you got a gold mini brand, actually known as a gold medal.
Yes, so we got 1. So we've gotten a bronze medal, a silver medal, and now a gold.
Gold.
I'm hoping to go home with 2 gold medals.
2 gold medals,
Yeah.
right? That'd be pretty awesome.
And a bunch of gold mini brands.
All right, while you're opening that, so we're going to open that up.
I got it!
Oh, you already got it. Ooh, good job. You got that one quick.
This one looks more like an orange because it's yellow.
You're right. It is more of a true orange
It
color.
kind of looks like a lemon.
All right, so let's see what you got. So
Ready?
all of these, and you're looking for a rose gold one, right?
Yes. Yeah. Ooh.
You got
Baby not cheese, not chocolate.
golden cheese.
Yeah.
Ooh,
It's not blue cheese, golden cheese.
that's right. I've never had gold cheese.
Me neither.
Why haven't you had gold cheese with gold teeth?
Probably
Maybe
tastes very
turn-
metally.
It would have a metallic flavor.
Whoa! Baker's Premium Baking Bar. Oh, it's Baker's chocolate.
It's Baker's chocolate.
We have a funny story with that chocolate.
Oh, you know what, Assistant? You've got Baker's. You got like 2 different types of gold cooking baking items now, right?
Yeah. Do people cook with cheese? Well, yeah.
Oh, that's right. It's cheese. I thought it was butter.
What? Really?
Oh, I forgot that was cheese. All right, let's see what you got.
Well,
now.
obviously you cook with cheese because grilled cheese sandwiches. Grilled
Oh.
cheese. Oh, seasoned salt.
Oh, it's Lowry seasoned salt. We like to use that. You can put it on steaks. You can put it on
Salmon.
Yeah, lots of fun things.
Shrimp.
Wow. Lots of cooking items today.
Well, it's all food.
Oh, is it? I did not know that.
Yeah, that was the special toy one that we got earlier.
Oh.
This is Frank's Red Hot Original Hot Sauce.
Oh, since we got a funny story about that, don't we?
We have 2 funny stories about
So
two of the food
tell the story about Frank's Red Hot. What?
Well, you were actually in their commercial. Well, you might be in their commercial.
Me and Mrs. Engineer both had to do a taste test on TV for Frank's Red Hot. They put out some sushi, and they wanted our reaction.
Yeah.
And Mrs. Engineer made fun of me So we made her go too, right?
Right.
So we said, okay, Mrs. Engineer, if you can do better, then you
Look, we got a special Gold Rush shopping cart.
Ooh.
And that was it.
All right. So should we go for another one?
We should. We shall.
We shall. We will. All right. So let's go. You've got one arrow. Hey, there's 2 bowling pins up, though. That's kind of fun.
You put the other one up.
Did I?
Yeah. You put it up when I was getting the gold thing.
I wonder why I did that for.
I don't know.
I don't know why I did that. All right, ready?
It all comes down to this.
Yeah! You got it! What?
Yeah!
Good job! Whoa!
Oh, it sounds like it has something good in it.
Oh, it definitely sounds like it's got something good in it.
Let's open it.
You think we should?
Well, yeah. I think we should. Okay. Here we go.
Here we go. Opening it. So which one was your favorite gold thing that we got last time? We had the Red Hots, the Lowry seasoning salt, the cheese, or the baker's chocolate.
I think it'd either be Frank's Red Hot or the Baker's Chocolate.
Frank's Red Hot's my favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah, there was a guy who was dressed up as Frank's Red Hot. You know, the whole bit.
It was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, ready? Opening the lemon/orange.
So if you see Mr. Engineer and a Frank's Red Hot sauce, say, I know him. He's pretty awesome.
More cheese!
Oh, but it's a different kind of, is that cheese?
It's the Laughing Cow. Cheddar cheese.
Oh, so Laughing Cow.
Cheddar cheese.
We don't want no sad cows.
Huh?
You should have Laughing Cow.
Okay.
All right, so we're going to open the next one.
Ooh!
What is it?
More cheese!
More cheese? Get out of town. Is that
Swiss cheese.
landmark? Oh, it is Swiss cheese.
I knew because of the holes.
Hey, did you know what? Swiss cheese goes to church because it's really holy. Isn't that funny? I should have used that in the Frank's Red Hot commercial.
Wait, I'm gonna go.
I should have used that in the
I know. Okay, but here's a funny joke. I don't think I'll get it right, but why did the golfer wear another pair of pants?
Why?
Because the other one had a hole in one.
Oh, I get it, like a hole in one shot. Did you think of that all by yourself?
No. Well, I just knew it. Oh, almonds.
Ooh.
We're really good with the snack items here.
Blue diamond almond and gold. We need to see if we got anything ultra rare.
Yeah. Oh, we got seasoning.
Old Bay seasoning. And you know what my favorite thing is about Old Bay seasoning?
What? It
Actually,
tastes like seasoning?
I don't think I've ever even heard of it.
Oh. It kind of looks like laundry detergent.
It looked like Spam. I thought you got a
Oh.
golden Spam. That'd been fun.
Okay, so this is the last one. Dun, 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 dun. Oh! Way to go out with the bang! Almond breeze. Got a
Oh,
gold?
you've got regular and gold.
So there's a difference. Right there. So now, which one is your favorite out of all of these mini brands and toy mini brands?
I don't know. You got some pretty cool ones though. So you got all.
I like the Hershey's, the Frank's Red Hot, the Baker's Chocolate. I like this cheese.
Did you get any of the gold ones? Were any of them ultra rare?
I don't know. I haven't really looked at it. I definitely like both of the almond breezes. Oh, wheat thins, obviously. Oh, the Laughing Cow, Baby Bell.
I think they're all except for these special rose gold ones.
Oh, cool.
They're the ultra rare, or the rose gold, but we didn't get any rose gold this time, did we? Maybe next time. Hey, so what should the people at home do?
They should like this video and subscribe to our channel.
That's right. Like and subscribe, right?
Right.
And what kind of challenge should we do next? Was that pretty fun?
That was pretty fun.
And so we had fun watching the Olympics. We watched archery in the Olympics, right? It
Yeah.
kind of gave us the idea. Because the assistant wants to be an Olympic archer. Don't you? Don't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, maybe. All right. Well, thanks for watching our video.
Bye.
Make sure you subscribe. Bye.